How to buy Mango network token. So this token came under the symbol of MGO. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert before investing in any project that you find on my channel. Please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, this token, it's available on MEXC. So what you need to do, just open your MEXC account like that. So if you don't have an account in MEXC, go down the description and you'll be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account in MEXC to benefit from yours. Now, what you need to do, go in the search bar and now type MGO like that. So after that, select the pair that have USDT, and after that, what you need to do is just wait a few seconds. Now, this token, it will be available in 22 hours from now. So after that, what you need to do is just now you can type the price that you want to buy, or you can type the quantity that you want to buy of that token, as you can see. Now, after that, you can now click on buy, and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy MGO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.